This only takes a second. You can already see that the bell peppers are getting burned. Not burned, but, you know, toasty real quick.
Yeah.
Doesn't take long.
No.
And if you want crispy vegetables, if you like that, maybe a minute. Other than that, 2 minutes. We're going to introduce the sauce.
Okay, say hooty hoo if you guys are enjoying this. Say hooty hoo if you're not.
What?
Hooty hoo if you like
can
it,
see-
and hooty boo if you don't.
You can see some of the stuff getting brown here. It only takes a second. It's really quick. Like I said, you can do this in a non-stick pan. And if you're cooking for 1 or 2, just like we are, or tonight 3, because our son's here, you just cook a little bit more. Now, chicken goes back in. And the sauce. Woo! Yeah. Egg rolls. And the rice is done now.
And the rice is done.
Yep.
Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful.
Typically, right about now, as it's kind of adhering to everything here, do
That's
a little
looking
bit
good.
of. I throw a little MSG, just a little. That's
Yum,
enough. Do this. Then at the last second here,
Hey Elena, how are you? Hooty hoo.
the last second, throwing these.
Woo! Scallions.
The old scallion
You're
green
making
onions.
John Gubbins
Green
hungry.
onions, yep. We're good. So,
Hooty hoo to this.
there it is.
And
So
that's
now,
it?
also, yeah, we have the,
Oh, all right, Elena.
sorry, I forgot to add the water chestnuts. It's fine. They cook really quick.